since my GoPro lost pretty near all the harvest video I had taken, I'm gonna shoot this little bit here so we can at least see what picking up canola swath looks like. Yeah, we got the old 730 case on the grain auger today. I took the 2090 home yesterday in hopes of doing some straw baling, but that didn't happen yet. So the 730 is on the auger and hopefully we'll handle it. I know it's got plenty of power, but the PTO is a little weak on it, so hoping it's gonna hang in there for the job. We got 40 acres left to do here. Looks like it's half decent right now. Hopefully the weather holds out. And there goes another load of canola. This field's getting fairly small. That guy's not too scared of combines at all. Well, that's the last hopper on the wildlife land. It's probably not going to be the last day of harvest because I don't see myself finishing here tonight. But it's the last field. I'm guessing there's 30, maybe 30 acres left to go. The conditions are fairly good. We've got cool weather, which is good for putting canola in the bin at a cool temperature. It's obviously dry enough the straw is breaking up, unlike yesterday and the day before when the straw would barely break up through the combine. So this is a 21-foot swath I'm picking up here. It's not as poor as expected, but it's probably a little below an average crop. But considering the lack of precipitation through the growing season, I guess we're lucky to have anything here. The large bodies of water have dried up. Well, the large ones are still there, the small ones have dried. This was a small one right over here. I cut right through it with the swather. Possibly we can bring it back into cultivation. Anyway, we're probably pushing on to 6 o'clock, but an hour and a half of daylight left here, and then I'll be working with lights. So hopefully I won't break another front beater chain like I did last night, or plug the table auger, as I do occasionally. Continue on till I get too tired to stay on the swath. Looks like I'm getting some drone video shots of my combine. Should be interesting.